Hello guys, today I did a collab video with Noha. She's another YouTube and she is so much fun to watch, so here's a clip of her and then we'll move on to our video.
Hello everyone, my name is Noha and I also make videos on YouTube. They're just like random videos about things that I like to do, funny things I do, and most of my videos are in Spanish, so if you don't understand what I say, just go with the flow, subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my channel. Bye.
So today we are going to make chicken nuggets of our own, and we don't work at a chicken nugget at McDonald's. And this is healthy.
So this is what we need for our chicken nuggets. Chicken,
Flour, and salt, and eggs.
the first thing we're gonna do is cut the chicken in little bite-sized squares. This will give us the shape of the chicken nugget. This is Molly's favorite part, is cutting, and it's always a scary thing to teach, but it's also necessary. Just cut it in 3. Look, this is how big. From here to here. Not too small.
Alright, so we are going to put the chicken pieces into flour, eggs, flour, and then over there.
So we're gonna put some flour. This is just regular all-purpose flour. Let's pour just a handful or about 2 handfuls, and some salt to give it some flavor. I would say about half a teaspoon, and then you just mix it with your hands. Okay. And then we'll break an egg. And we'll mix the egg. We'll add one more egg. Now it gets fun, but it also gets messy. Alright, now it's time to fry them. Yes! We're getting closer to eating them.
Yes!
Alright, so now we're here in the stove and we're gonna fry the chicken nuggets that we just floured and eggs. So we're gonna show you how to do it. While that's warming up, we're gonna get a plate and put paper napkins, so when the chicken is ready, we can put the chicken in there and it'll absorb all the excess oil. That's how you know the oil is ready, when it sizzles. Frying is a scary thing. I've had bad experiences and definitely not my favorite thing to do, but here I am. When they're golden brown, they're ready. While I finished up this last batch, Molly cleaned the table. I was setting aside a few for me and my husband to put this lemon pepper seasoning. You give it a little bit of a shake, and once that's done, it's ready. Leah, yummy? Alright guys, so this is a taste test now. Molly and Leah likes theirs with ketchup, and I like mine with habanero sauce and ranch. So here we go. This is like so good. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also share with your friends and family if you're watching, and we hope to see you next time. Bye!